Mustafa, and today we're going to play a game called Moped IO. I've already played it a day ago. So, last video I was playing as a water animal, and this time I'm playing as a land animal. So, let's just get started. Okay, so it's starting, it's just loading. Okay, so let's start. We are going to do a land animal, so I'll just do a chipmunk. Look at all of this food here. All of this water. Give me all of this food and water. Move it, berries or whatever you are. Or all of this food. Oh, I'm a big chipmunk. Move it, berries. Okay, so I'm going to be just I take care. Look at all this water. Press W to burrow a hole to hide. Oh, good. That's cool. So if someone's coming to me, you just dig a hole. Have it. It does not give me anything, any XP. So we are coming 112th place. You can see here. So 110th now. Okay, you don't need water. You need to find food. Here's food. Maybe any food, dude. No water. Okay, so there is some food over here. Oh, there's so much food over here. Move it. Cannot go in. Dig a hole. Yeah. So I want to be a chicken. Press S to place on my industry to go on. Oh, water is too cold to drink. find a gem that last time found. That was really helping. Quack, 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 quack. This is so. I will be a woodpecker. This is cool. Don't know what I'm choosing, but just choosing different things. Look at this. This is my place. Don't mess with me, dude. I want some of these, dude. You're eating all my food. You want water? No, we can. We didn't read what we can do, so I don't know. Press the volume. Move this tree from here. I think if I just press W, I can climb a tree. Look, so much food here. So here. Okay, so I want to be a gazelle, I think. Press W to jump high through everything. That's cool, dude. No. Move it, eagle. I wish I was in eagle, so I could also do fun things like that. Don't care if I found a gem, dude. I swear the whole gem, dude. Much slows me down. So, can I eat this carrot? High jump. Boom, 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 boom. You can't get me. Come on, jump. Oh no, you are eaten. Yeah. So we're gonna play one more game. Then I'm just gonna stop, okay? So can fly? Whoa, that's cool. Bye bye. So fly, fly. Give me all this food. So we can eat these brown mushrooms. This, no, I don't want the to come for. Bye bye. What's that? Honeycomb? Oh, honeycomb that is being attacked. I really don't want to be attacked. Don't come for me. Didn't do anything to you. Yeah, tell the guy. Bees. I don't want to be an eagle. There's some good food. I just really don't want to go. Okay, what's this? Move it, there's so much food here. Low water. That's good. Okay, so I want to be a flamingo. Hold the balloon in water? No! I got eaten. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe because at 100 plus subscribers I'm going to do a live stream or a premiere. Okay? Bye!